Welcome to Urban Hood Stock Tips, powered by Urban Food Alliance. This is a financial literacy education program. The following presentation is for educational purposes only. It should not be considered as financial advice. All symbols and trading ideas by the speakers are for demonstration purposes only. This presentation is not an offer or solicitation of any kind in any jurisdiction. Swing or day trading is not for everyone. Option trading carries a high degree of risk and is not suitable for all traders. Investing of any kind involves risk. Your investments are solely your responsibility, and we do not provide personalized investment advice. It is crucial that you conduct your own research. We are sharing our opinions with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Please consult your financial advisor prior to making an investment. Please read this disclosure information and understand that there are risks associated with stock trading. Urban Hood is not responsible for any losses you may incur.
Definitely, everyone should have access. If you are not having any access or having any access issues, ping me or Jay. So so if you, so for the paid contents, you can ping Jayraj. For other contents, like you are not able to post anything in a specific channel or somewhere, ping me. I will let you know why it is not allowing you.
Okay. I'm not sure if that was intended. The bot graphs, it says the channel is read only. I'm not sure.
No, that's a chart bot is we kept it open to everybody. That's the power. We wanted people to learn how to go create your own chart, so you do not have to all the time come, hey, can you tell me, is this a good buy or not, right?
Okay. Yeah, that's correct.
No, Mushi, so here's the thing. We have kept bot chat as a paid member channel. Okay, right? It's not like a free member channel right now.
The chart one.
So definitely free members will not be able to see the bot chat.
Okay. That's something then, you then you and Jayraj, I guess changed. But I remember at some point, Jayraj mentioned that it's going to open up to everybody. But still for now, then at least, since this session is for paid members, so they should have access to it. Agree, Babu?
Yeah,
definitely they should have access it. If you are not having access, ping me or Jay, okay?
Okay. I'm a paid member. I'm a paid member, so that I didn't have access.
Ping me or Jay so that we will check your access. Probably you might not have access.
Sure.
Yeah, it looks like, yeah, me too. I don't have access to it. I'm a paid member. Mr. Raja.
Okay, Raja. Yeah. So same thing.
Problem with me also.
Yeah, it looks like, and others also same. So I think today our goal is just kind of share with you that what you can you can do with the tool and how to use the tool and why we think is much more efficient than WhatsApp. WhatsApp, we are not stopping WhatsApp, but one of the things what we noticed are a lot of people come in. They say, look, I am not a day trader. I just want to know what stock to buy, and then I just want to buy it and sit there, right? And then every weekly or every other week I can go check, if it's still the right one or if there are other stocks that I can buy. But those when they try to look for other stocks, they cannot find it because we have thousands of messages, right? So how do we get filter through all those messages and allow people to still find the best information so they can make the decision at the right time? So that was the reason we thought, hey, and so that you will see this power of this tool. It has a lot of channels based on your interest. Channel is something, it's just like each individual room. So you click on it and then you go based on your interest, you see what information is there. If it's stock or if it's asking a class, if it's a session, what session coming up, or if it's a session about options, you can options, or it's a short-term stock or long-term stock. You'll see a lot of this different rooms we created. That way you can kind of go into those room and just see the information. And then if you have a question, then we have a general rooms that you are going to see that in the general, you can go ask any questions. And also we have a topic, something off topic. It does not have to be stock, but somebody has something that, hey, I want to know about this. Is this possible? Then we'll see if those off topic, more and more related contents people are asking, we might offer something based on if people interest, right? And people wants to post news or just post some article. Those are all you can put it in off topic. So this way we can kind of take away all this noise, and people get the information right moment at the right time. Okay.
Okay.
So that was the reason. Now I guess you can see even our paid group. With this rate, we know for sure it will be just like our free groups. Our free groups, we have 7 of them, 7 WhatsApp. We are already maxing. The 7th one is going to get full this week or next week. You are going to see that we are right very close to do this. So paid one is we have over 200 people. So we know that this is same thing going to happen. Then how are we going to manage that in future? So with the Discord, at least we have not only the power of the tool, we can grow as our community grows. Babu, do you know the limitation of one Discord server?
I have not seen yet. I have seen people like 18,000, 27,000 people.
Okay. So which is good. So at least now if you see that 18,000, 20,000 people can have it, so we know that at least we are on the right, we are using the right platform. So we do not have to worry about, oh no, we have to think something else. Okay?
Yes, definitely.
And the Discord does the same thing, just like your WhatsApp. You can call somebody. It has also calling, and it uses much less bandwidth than WhatsApp to use the Discord call.
I see. Okay, that's interesting.
Yep, it has the same calling capability, just like WhatsApp, private texting, and all those. And one of the things with the Discord, if we see that WhatsApp somebody post any message, we cannot delete those message. But with Discord, we have that ability. As an admin, we can go ahead delete some offensive or something that unrelated message from the group.
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah, those things are good.
So that's also and plus on your phone. So go ahead.
Sorry, Mushi, sorry to interrupt. So it's not only that we have bots to control that. Some of them are making an offensive comment or something. Mm-hmm. Our bot itself will remove everything. So it reduces our own task. Okay. So that is also there. And we are also creating a lot of bots so that we can provide a lot of information from other sources. Okay. It's like right now we are seeing benzing alerts and all of this. So you can see everything in Discord itself. You don't need to explicitly go to another website or another link to see everything. Okay, you see and monitor. So not only that, so we have a lot of advantages on Discord. So Mushi can do a screen share and he can do a voice chat. So everything, Mushi can be live 24/7 in this Discord itself. So whenever it's possible, so he can do it. So it's not and everyone can, whoever is there, they can directly join his video meetings or voice calls or voice chats. Everything can be done right away. So right now everyone is typing a message and talking, right? So we can avoid that. We can just like that when Mushi is available, everyone so how we are talking right now, they can talk to him. So that's also one advantage. So we will be going through everything. Yes, go ahead. What was the question?
You get your own server? What is a server? I don't understand.
So basically, Discord group is a server. Okay, your group is your server. Okay, so whenever I have a group, that means I'm having a server. So in our group, we can create a lot of channels. So basically consider how we are having for each WhatsApp group for what's like tips one, paid members, and admins, sub-admins, so charts, quarterbacks. So there are a lot of channels are there. For developers, we have one. For automation, we have one. And for magazine, we have one. So instead of all these groups, we can bring everyone under one umbrella. We'll have only one UFA group. Under that, we will have multiple channels. Here, multiple channels meaning each group, okay? And for each group, I can provide access to a specific member through roles. So that way, for managing members, it will be really easy for us. And we can bring lot of good things to you guys. Like, as I said, so all the binging alerts, all the alerts, all comes in here itself. And not only that, so you can have lot of bot activity here. We are also in process of creating lot of algo alerts and everything. So once that is done, like, so we will integrate with Discord, and you will see only on that paid channel. So you will get only that benefit on the paid, and we will be focusing on that. And how we help is like, so today we are looking for trade for other members. Rather, we will be giving an automated trade, so which we are working on already.
Right. Yeah. Like I think Jawad, you know, we have more than at least 20, 30 UFA groups. So it's like too many groups. Sometimes people say, I do not know, you know, where did you posted this, you know. And then I said, look at that group, look at that group. Like, look at a newsletter group. We have a group of administration group. We have a sub-admin group. We have an admin group. We have a leadership group. We have a front-end developer group. We have a data group, right? So it's like too many groups, and besides the main paid group and free groups, but everything we can bring under one umbrella with the Discord. So we do not have to go it's all channels. Based on your permission, if you're part of one of the permission part of a channel, then you'll see the channel. So it's everything role-based security. I think those who is in technology, you understand role. The role is like what job you perform, what functions you perform. Based on your function, the jobs or activities we create behind the scene. This server allows us to create those roles or responsibilities, and then we just add a check mark, give you the role, and then you get to see those activities. Otherwise, you do not have to go through all the noise. Okay. So that's also another thing that, you know, we figured, hey, you know, why don't we leverage the technology? Nowadays, information is everywhere, but how do you take the information at the right moment quickly and then use it in your benefit, so you do not have to sift through hundreds of messages? Because I remember when I'm sending the invite for classes, Aziz and other volunteers, classes, events, meetings, people say, oh, where is it? Go look up it, look there, we posted. Sometimes you guys know that there are more than 5-6 times, for some 5-6 times we are posting the same thing. So I apologize for those who is paying attention. You have to keep saying the same thing, but there are many, they don't pay, still they're missing out. Because I didn't see it, so all is there. So sometimes we have to just have this person to say that we ended up posting the same message again. Okay.
Right.
So we
Is there
can
a search feature in Discord? Can we search like how we do in WhatsApp?
Yes, it has that capability.
Yeah,
You'll
exactly.
see that Babu is going to show you demo in those capabilities. That way you not only see the feature, and based on your interest, you can say, okay, if you guys also can provide some kind of, when we say channel each individual room, the interest based on our activities, that what we do. Here everything is stocks, options, futures, you'll see that we created that. Then we also created, many people said, I don't do options. But then nowadays, I think you guys see that what I'm doing, whenever I share the stocks, I go in the stock room, I tell they buy this stock, buy that, right? And so many people thanked me later on in private that this is the best thing, because they get right now exactly what to go look at, and then they say, okay, I'm buying this stock, and then they can make a decision, right? So once we share with you that what we have, and if you have suggestion, please do let us know. Then this is not the final version, because we know we are evolving. So based on our need, we may have to create couple channels that may not make sense for us for what we do. Okay.
Right.
So I think the time is it's coming up, Babu. If you can start slowly share your desktop, and then what we are going to see, the guys, I wanted to thank Babu that he spent last 2-3 months behind the scene to understand the platform, to configure how it's going to happen, how we are going to use it. And from the beginning, Babu, Jairaj, and JK and myself, we 4 of us got together to figure out how all these different pieces are going to work. When we started our journey in January. Honest journey is everything started in December, but in January officially we launched, right? But as you are not speaking, please mute your line. I don't know who else is here. I want to have some other people. Balaji, I'm going to make you also, if whoever is in front of computer, I want to make a couple of you guys co-host. So if you guys can just mute other people's line.
Sure.
Please do.
So anyone see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Which screen you're seeing? You're seeing Discord?
Yeah, we see the Discord, correct.
The paid chat.
Okay, great. Okay, good. Okay, so let me start. Okay, welcome members. So I'm going to show you how our Discord is going to go, and what are the features. I hope so some of them has joined early. So we were discussing something. So I said it's a server. So basically each group we say, here it is a server. So currently I am in multiple groups, and this is our group. So UFA group, and this is our UFA server. So in this server, we have a lot of facilities we are grouping all the channels, basically all the different groups on whatever we have under UFA, we are bringing up in one inside one umbrella. So far in WhatsApp, we were using it having multiple groups, copying, pasting content from one group to another group, and it was too much for us to manage. So because of that, we missed some contents. Many members were not able to reach some of the traders. So a lot of questions like that, and intensity, and we were not able to properly share our knowledge. So those things can be avoided easily with our Discord. And so we had a lot of member restrictions in our WhatsApp. So those things can be also removed here. So this supports enormous number of people, and everyone can come join here. Okay. So this is so everyone will receive an invite link. So when you do join using the invite link, the first thing you will see is just this start here channel. Okay, every other channel would be you will be blocked. You won't see any of these channels. Okay, so you will see only these channels. Okay, so and you will see a welcome message like this. So when you join, okay, and it will tell you regarding what are the things you are gonna do, what are the free content, what are the paid content, and what are the details you want to fill up, all those things. Okay, and how to join the free group, paid group in case if they are a free member, And at the last, you will say like, please type agree in welcome channel if you accept our full disclaimer. So you need to make sure like this is a command. So you have to type like small characters like this. So now all members are typing it. So this is how you gain access. Once you type agree, you will see this free member channel. Okay. So the entire free member channel opens up for you. Okay. And in the free member channel, so now if you see all the general talks and everything, you can do it in the general place. And currently you would see in WhatsApp, okay, someone posts a ticker, or some other member or some other trader who posts a ticker, and a lot of people ask a lot of questions. So this way, some members will be missing the trades. Okay, here it's not the case, because for tips itself, so we have separated all the tips. So anyone who wants to see the tips here, so they just come and see here. There is no way like we are going to miss it, because since when consider you see this, so I'm going to mention everyone here. So now everyone will get an alert saying like in this, it will show you as like +1 or it will say a number mentioning everyone, so that like you will be seeing as a notification here. Okay, if you already have access, so please verify that. So I don't have one more account. I had one, but like I'm not using it right now. I don't know what's the password, so I have to. I'm not able to show you guys. Okay, so basically we will mention everyone. So when you mention everyone, so you see, right? So Mushi is posting like this. So you won't miss any trades here. Okay, even if it's a free member or paid member, they have their designated channels. So in both the channels, they have their own tickers and everything. So I'm talking just only about the free member channels. So the same way, all the option tips comes under separate thing. Day trade tips. So any SPY intraday levels which we are going to post, it's going to come here. So anyone who comes and jumps and see here itself, and you can know what's happening. Okay. So everyone is a paid member right here. So basically this is what it's like. So now you see, right? So general is a group, free stock tips is a group, free option tips is a group. So every group, every paid member or a free member will have access. Okay, so all this information comes under one umbrella. That's the advantage here. Okay, so you can see this, right? So when someone posts, you will get this. So yeah, okay. I'm not sure how many people did not have access. So
Babu,
let's see how many people.
Babu, was that a person to contact and non? Can you go up on the free? You have a person to contact and two of them. Person to contact and that. Yeah, that's what is the purpose of this group or channel?
So the purpose of this group is like basically, so a lot of people will be having a lot of questions. Like I'm a software developer, how I can help? So whom I should contact? Okay, so the ladies talk group, so whom they want to contact. So basically like inside the organization, who are the right person to contact and to get a correct answer.
Okay. Okay. Yep. And that event meeting
so
is.
We have a lot of groups like this. So maybe some groups can be merged or some we can remove it. So for now, this is a basic setup, like so we have come up with, but definitely we will be moving up fast or remove or do something else.
So this is very similar.
So you have something to Slack.
Yes, someone was saying this is similar to exactly the Slack.
Yeah.
But this is more powerful. Slack, you have to pay money. This is just, we do not have to pay money. However, you'll see the power of this tool that it let us to do it. It has an open API and we can create our custom solution on this platform. Okay. Go ahead, Babu.
Yeah. So even in Slack, right? So we have the same way, like we have bots which will ask for. So mostly you will be using it in your office. It will automatically ask for your status reports and what are you doing today? What you were doing yesterday? So all those questions. So it will follow up. So a lot of things where you can do it in the Slack as well. It's exactly like Slack. So if you have already used Slack, so it's exactly the same. It's nothing new you're going to see here. So advantages of this, like we are grouping the, I mean, we have a lot of groups, which is called channels. And again, I want to say, so again, this is a bot chart channel. So where all the chart information is automatically drawn by the bot, by the command itself. Okay. So for example, let me say I want to see Apple. Okay. I'm going to do a day trade. So I'm going to do a performance chart, and I want to see RSI, and I want to see my P, and I want to see what else? Yes, RSI. Okay. So I don't need to draw anything. So it automatically gives you. So it gives you the RSI, it gives you the MACD level, it gives you the statistic RSI, and you can see this, right? And in the 45-minute candle, you can see this is going to come into everything is in an oversold position, and the trend is changing. MACD trend is changing, showing the trend, and RSI you already changed the trend, and the statistic also has changed. So it gives a confirmation, and I can take a position right away. So I don't need to go into the trading view or any other fee services to get it. So if you are using trading view, right? So you can have only 3 different indicators in a chart, okay, including volume, okay. So with this, you can add more. It's not only 3. So I have added here 3. I can add EW. EW is like Elliott wave analysis. Okay. I can add MA9. I think it's 9 more nowadays. No. Okay. I forgot that. I'll add it up. So you can add multiple comments like this. You can chain it. You can see this, right? It clearly says what are the levels and everything. Okay. And I can add DMA. It is double. So it will tell you, you can see this green line going inside the chart, right? So that's called DEMA, double EMA. Okay. So like this, we can add a command. With this command itself, we can get all the information. So for a daily chart, you can do the same. You talk to the bot by yourself. You don't need us basically to get a chart information. It clearly tells you in a daily chart how it displays and where are we. Okay. So this is only a specific like one bot. Okay, and you can get heat map. Heat map. Okay.
So Babu, is there to get the list of commands like
yes, I will show you. I'll show you. Yes. So most of the commands, right? So you can get it from the website itself. Anyway, I'm gonna. I have already posted all the links for these bots. So and I'm planning to have a specific example also, so that everyone knows what command to use.
Yeah, we'll put a bunch of frequently used commands as samples.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah. This is what it is. H matching. So
okay.
It'll tell you what are the changes here. Okay, this is specifically to Alpha bot. Okay, so this will tell you all the changes. So in the meantime, I'll go into another bot. It is called Options Fam bot. So this is so cool. You will see a lot of other good items with this. So example, okay. So you want to know, you're going to take a position, okay, right now. So for example, you're going to take a position for Apple, okay, and you want to know how many people are against you and how many people are. Okay, this is not working. This one. This bot is like little broken sometimes. They're testing it with a lot of functionality. Okay. Let me do a TA. This one is going crazy today. This is how I was starting. Okay, let's go to another bot. Yeah, we have configured 3 bots. So those are the 2 bots. So, and I will show you the third one. This will show you the history. Okay, consider you want to know the history of Google currently. So you see this, right? So basically, in last almost like 1 month. So what was the open, high, low, close, everything? It will tell you clearly. Okay, this is like one of the alias commands. So you can utilize all these commands. I'll show you. You want to see?
We are writing the bot, or somebody has this bot is already written for us.
So already written for us. We are just going to utilize this bot for us. Yes.
And on top of this, Javed, we have couple bots that we bought, added in our server. So there are, so we configured it, and then this is the reason we are asking that this is going to make everyone more powerful than, and then just keep asking us all the time. And what do you think? What do you think?
And also with
yeah,
our,
as I told, right?
There's no way we can serve all the 200 or 1,000 members, especially during closing hours, last hour, where everybody needs information. So we're kind of empowering everybody technically so advanced that way they can do their analysis themselves.
And this is real time, right? This bot is querying real time.
Oh yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So you saw, right? So this is the option from that, like at last this command worked. So you say, right? So these are the initial option activity given by that bot. Okay. So it gives that one, it gives gainers, hopefully, yes. So today's gainers, losers. You see, you're getting two results. One from the stock bot and the other one from the option bot. The command is same. So you are getting both the results. Okay. So you can see APTs, both places. And with this information, you can get more information. Let's hope this works. Yeah, it worked. See, this is what I was saying. So you want to take a position, you know, right? So who are the gainers? So here I'm seeing APT. So in the APT, you are seeing there are huge volume in here. Okay. So, and you are seeing the percentage changes also is going up. So what you do is, I go in there, I check the open interest of it, and you see for the next week expiry, there are 77% of people are going positive with the ticker APT. And not only that, so for continuously they are saying that they're accumulating. They're expecting the price of APT stock is going to go more up. So these are the advantages of this bot. So you don't need to ask us. So by default, when you type the commands, you just need to know which command to use and how to correlate the results. That's it. So this is what we are going to do right now. So consider this is the bot chart, right? So instruction sheet. So we will say like how we are gonna use this commands, and with this command, how we are gonna get information, and how you can use it.
Hey, Babu.
You guys can, yes.
Yeah, one silly question. In my Discord, in my phone, members area, I only see two options, real-time option and Benzinga. I don't see all of the one I see in the screen, like option tips or chat. Am I missing something? Or?
Yeah, definitely you don't have access. So
Osman,
this is how, this is the advantage.
yeah, Babu,
this is what it is like. Hold on. Yeah, you can talk, yeah.
Okay. Usman, I think we mentioned earlier, because we are setting it up right now. So yeah, not everybody is going to have access to everyone. Please work with Gerard. So Gerard, Babu is configuring it and making sure people can at least come to the free areas. But if those members areas you are not having access to it, just let Gerard know. So Gerard is going to make sure that you have proper access to those paid channels. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, I sorry to interrupt. I had the same issue, but it looks like it's not a Babu's issue. The group wise, it's like a drill down menu. If you click on the member area, if you don't have any messages to read, those are hidden under it. That's what I saw. When I clicked on the member area, I saw many channels configured there, but only the ones which has a new messages, those are highlighted. So probably he might have access. You have to click on the member area to see all the channels.
Yeah, you can.
Thanks, Raja. Thanks, Raja, bringing it up. Actually, that's a very good point. A lot of people reached out to me, and I asked them to refresh, close and open, and they found the channels again. So apparently that is what has happened, as indicated. It was in a collapsed state, so you have to expand it to see the channels.
Thanks for watching. Visit our website, urbanhood.org, and join our community at meetup.com and look for financial freedom for you. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.